Hello everyone, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. In today's lesson we learn weekdays in German. Die Wochentage. Weekday we say die Wochentage. Die is the article. Wochentage is a noun and the article is die. Die Wochentage, the weekdays. First is Montag, Dienstag, Mittwoch, Donnerstag, Freitag, Samstag, Sonntag. I started with Monday. So Monday is called once again Montag. Tuesday, Dienstag. Tag we write most of the days except Wednesday we use Tag. Montag means Monday. Dienstag, Tuesday. Mittwoch, Wednesday. Donnerstag, Thursday. Freitag, Friday. Samstag, Saturday. And Sonntag, Sunday. So these are 7 days of week. You can repeat once again. And here I have written the preposition am. If you make a sentence and you say on Monday, I have test on Monday, or I will go on Tuesday. So you will use the preposition am, that means on. So am we use with all these weekdays. Am Montag, am Dienstag, am Mittwoch, am Donnerstag, am Freitag, am Samstag, am Sonntag. That means on Monday, on Tuesday, on Wednesday, and so on. Now I will write some sentences using these weekdays. Here I have written two questions and the question word is one. One means when. Like when do you have exam? Wann haben Sie Prüfung? Prüfung means exam. Wann haben Sie Prüfung? And you will say on Monday. Am Montag. You can say any other day. On Tuesday. Am Dienstag. On Friday. Am Freitag. Now second question. Wann lernen Sie Deutsch? Wann lernen Sie Deutsch? When do you learn German? When do you learn German? And the answer is on Tuesday. Am Dienstag. Am Dienstag. You can write complete sentence if you want. Ich habe Prüfung means exam am Montag. Ich habe Prüfung am Montag. This is our complete sentence. Similarly, second answer. Wann lernen Sie Deutsch? When do you learn German? I learn German on Tuesday. Am Dienstag. How do we say? Ich lerne Deutsch am Dienstag. So this is our sentence. Now sentence is complete. So again I repeat, we use the question word wann. It means when, and we write the answer either on a day, on the date, or you can write a month also. So if question start with wann, it means the answer has to be temporal, means in the time framework. It can be a day, date, month or year. So here we are practicing weekdays, okay, days of week. So this is the format. How do we say today, tomorrow or yesterday in German? Heute means today. Morgen and small means tomorrow. Gestern means yesterday. I repeat, heute, morgen, gestern. Heute means today, morgen means tomorrow, gestern, yesterday. If today is Monday, Montag, tomorrow will be Dienstag, Tuesday, and yesterday was Sonntag, Sunday. So if I say yesterday was Wednesday. What is the day today and what will be tomorrow? So if yesterday was Wednesday, Mittwoch. Today is Dienstag. You can repeat after me, Dienstag, Tuesday, and tomorrow will be Mittwoch. Mittwoch. Mittwoch means Wednesday. If I say today is Monday, so sentence is heute ist Montag. If I say tomorrow will be Dienstag, tomorrow will be Tuesday, we use the same verb ist. Morgen ist Dienstag, means tomorrow is Tuesday. And if I say yesterday was Sunday, so gestern war means was. So gestern war Sonntag, yesterday was Sunday, today is Monday, heute ist Montag, tomorrow is Tuesday, morgen ist Dienstag. So that's all in this video. Please hit the like button if you find this informative. Keep watching German class, keep supporting us. Thank you, bye bye.